Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how much time it actually takes to update in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends. So recently, I received an update of the Realme UI in the Realme X2 Pro device. The update size is of 2.78 GB, friends. And here I got the Realme X2 device. Still, the update didn't arrive in the Realme X2 phone, friends. So at the moment, as you can see here. So still it's running ColorOS 6.1. So I'm waiting for the official Realme UI update in the Realme X2 Pro X2 device, friends. So I received the same kind of update in the X device as well, the Realme X phone, so which I did plenty of videos on the Realme X, Realme UI. So you can find the links in description, friends. You can check the links in description for the in detail Realme UI review. So you can find very useful videos. So if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using right now and what is this live wallpaper, you can also check the links in description, friends, for the live wallpaper videos. And let me show the battery percentage, how much it is, 58%. And let me hit the update now and start the stopwatch, friends, and let's see how much time it actually takes to update this big OS change in the Realme X2 Pro device. And the battery is of 58%, friends, and let's check how much the battery will be dropping also after once it gets updated. So definitely, friends, I'll be doing in-depth review on battery life and performance and other things, friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, because a lot of things got improved in the Realme UI in the Realme X apart from the battery life, because I have seen the battery life got impacted little bit in the Realme X device, and even other users are commenting the same thing in all the videos. So let's check, friends, how much time it actually takes to update this big OS right now in the Realme X2 Pro device. So again, I'll be back once the update has been finished. So as you can see here, friends, the logo has been booting right now. The time it took around like 5 minutes and 56 seconds. So still the phone did not get boot up, friends. As you can see, finally the phone got boot up. So it took about 6 minutes, friends, overall to update this software here in the Realme X2 Pro device. So you can see the look and feel even from the starting itself. So when you compare with the previous OS with the Realme ColorOS, so let me try to show you. As you can see, friends, you can see complete difference from the beginning. So definitely, friends, I'll be doing in-depth review on the Realme X2 Pro device in terms of the battery life and performance and other major issues. So and one more thing I forgot to mention is that in terms of the battery drain, how much it got drained right now the battery percentage is about 56%. So overall it took 6 minutes and drain of 2 battery percentage to finish this OS update, friends. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.